I don't know. No, you better call Billy on that.
Everything.
Okay.
Well, maybe.
Look at all that
you know
shit.
what? Maybe all this is staying, but that can go because my daughter's not going to use that.
Okay. Oh, so what? Everything here?
You better get Billy out here.
Billy!
I know my son's coming to get the canoe.
Okay.
She's taking this. I know
Okay.
for sure. I don't know why he'd get rid of a suitcase, but that thing can go.
Okay.
This other stuff, I think she was saving to see if my son wanted it, but
What about
he's coming.
Okay.
He coming.
All that stays. That's Kevin's stuff.
Even the boat.
Yep, that's Kevin's stuff. Basically all that.
So that, but I told you that can go because that was Courtney's and she's not going to use that.
Okay.
Unless she wants it for her baby. Hey, do you want this bicycle thing for your baby? Okay.
I can't
All right,
ride.
we'll take that. I mean, you can take that.
Everything right here.
I think that's it. I'll come back and
There's all kinds of stuff.
So everything right there?
Yeah,
Yes,
right
everything
there.
right
Okay.
here is going to go. There's some stuff.
We have shit everywhere that we're gonna get.
All this stuff here.
Okay.
I'll still some of it. Except the rim and the stuff there, the hood and tilt.
Okay, this hood and this rim not going?
No, just the rim and the stuff that's in it. It's staying.
Okay.
This stuff is good.
Okay.
All that's just pretty much good.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, take the.
We can put shit in that though.
Yeah, that's just their stay.
Okay.
I've got this wood and stuff like that.
What do you want to do?
What?
Keep the wood or not?
Not.
Mostly, pretty much. Get the fuck.
What about this thing?
I had to take that to my shop.
Oh, okay.
Billy, what about all those tires? Take them. All right.
You got a bunch of tires. You got a bunch of shit. We're gonna help you load it up.
Okay.
Yes.